Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will print table through nested loop, right? So in nested loop, so firstly we will understand what is nested loop. In nested loop is a loop within a loop, a inner loop within the body of an outer one, right? Then the second pass of the outer loop triggers the inner loop again. Means if you want to, suppose I am going to show the VBA code for the same thing. Suppose this is the our outer loop, right? This is the outer loop and the close of the outer loop is here, right? So firstly what will happen, an inner loop within the body of outer one, then in outer one, in outer one, firstly the inner outer loop will be executed firstly, right? Then it will be executed firstly, this one will be executed, then again it will be it will pass to the outer loop, right, to triggers the loop again, right? So basically firstly it will be started the loop from 2 to n, means n number, means whatever the n table number will user input, then it will be execute till that, right? Whatever the and table number. Suppose if we are going to execute this one code, right? Suppose print table, we are going to click on print table. It's asking enter the AND table number, means up to what table you want to print. Suppose I want to print till table number 11, right? Then we will enter here 11. So till 2 to 11, as you can see, the table is get printed, right? Suppose if you want to print till table number 12, then it will be print the table till 12, from 2 to 12 number. So basically here is what happening, we are going to enter the table number and table number, right? After that the inner loop and outer loop, both the loop will be executed. Firstly the inner loop will be executed, right? After completion of this loop, inner loop, then again it will trigger to the outer loop, right? This is called nested loop, right? Means in a loop, again loop is executed, right? So this is called nested loop, right? So now we will execute this program through the execution mode. We are going to debugging one by one, step by step, right? Firstly we are going to execute this one. Now firstly it will clear all the content, whatever the content is over here, right? It will be clear all till the our last data or whatever we have selected all the rows over here to clear, right? Now it will clear all the content, right? It has been clear. Now it will ask the user till what table number you want to print. If you want to print 15, right? Now the loop will be executed 2 to 15, right? So as you can see, now the n is till 15. After that now inner loop will be get executed, right? So from 1 to 10, as we already know that the table we need 2 to 10 times only, like 2 1 2, 2 2 4, and so on till only 10, right? And this we have taken over here for the changes of cell, right? And this will also get increase, right, after this execution, right? So let's see. Now the k is will be 1, means 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, means 3 comma here is 2, 3 comma 2. So where is our cell number 3 comma 2? Cell number 3 means rows number will be 3 and column 2, right? So this is the basically our cell number. Let's see in the VB code, right? As you can see, cell number here is 3 comma 2, as 2 has been already printed, right? Now again the loop will be get executed. Now it's showing 4. Now again, as you can see, this only inner loop is executed now, right? After this finish, it will get triggered to the outer one, right? As you can see, it's going to the after execution k, right? Because this loop will be continued till the 10 times as you can see, right? So it will be executed till now it has been finished. Now it will go to the j, right, as you can see, and so on, right? As you can see now, firstly inner loop is get executed, after that it's going to the word, right? So this is the basically programming code for the same thing, to print the table through the nested loop, right? So suppose we are going to click on this print table. It is now if you want to print till the 20 table number, it will be get executed, right? So hope you have understood this, and please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching this video.